Montana is known for its serene, if not rugged, landscapes and wildlife. But what happens when you meet that wildlife at highway speeds?
Deer impacts on the freeway are starting to increase.
The way that these vehicle collisions kind of work, it's dependent kind of on the life cycle of what's going on with the deer or antelope or elk or whatever, but primarily for us it's deer.
According to data from State Farm Insurance Company, Montana is the second worst state in the nation for deer collisions. Deer collisions are worse in May and June for new fawns, as well as October and November timeframe when the rut starts.
When the males are just kind of crazy out there running around, chasing the does. The does are running, the males are running, they're not paying attention to anything. If there's a doe going across, it's really likely she has a fawn or two fawns, or even last year's fawns that have rejoined. Expect to see more than one.
Another issue is the shorter daylight hours this time of year brings.
Plus it's darker. The days are shorter, nights are longer, and that's when they're active. They're not active nearly as much during the day.
If you do hit an animal, pull over to safety and call local law enforcement. If you wish to keep the animal, a vehicle-killed wildlife salvage permit is available for certain species.
So if they want to take the animal, there is a procedure they can do that, where they can take the animal. If they're going to utilize it for food, they can take it themselves. Yeah, the big thing, we can't control their actions, so it's up to the driver to really be aware. And it's not just on the highways out of town. There's a lot of animals, because there's so much more traffic. There's a lot of animals in town. A lot of deer are within city limits.
In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.